how about we draw a shark today?
Good idea. Let's give it a go.
Let's do it.
Grab my favorite things.
I'm gonna use this. Is this color here?
Oh, that's one of my favorite. That's purple.
Purple. I'm gonna use.
Purple. And
What color are you gonna use?
oh, I got a blue.
Blue, like the ocean.
Blues.
Perfect. Okay, so for a sharky shark, let's do. I usually like to do 2 eyes as usual. Pink and pink. And then I'm gonna do a sharky nose here, but I'm gonna put a little dip here. And then I'm gonna do some sharky teeth. Little sharky teeth. And I'm gonna give the shark a smile because he's a happy shark. We want a shark smiling. And then you do the bottom of his mouth here. And then let's do his fin coming out here. Because once we get the body there, we can't do the fin across the body. And then we do here, the rest of his body. And we do his tail here. And we do here going up. And then let's do the top fin here. The sharky top fin. And then we connect it to his eyes like so. And then sharks have these side gills here. Bink, bink, and bink. And that really completes it and makes it look like a sharky shark. And then I do the finishing touch, the eyes, to our nice little happy shark. What do you think?
Oh my goodness. Uncle JoeJoe, you're really good at this.
Hey, thank you very much. Let's see your nice little sharky.
Okay, don't laugh.
Oh, we love your drawing. Oh, that is really cool. I love it. You got 2 fins here for him. That is cool.
He's a fast swimmer.
He's got some big teeth, your guy.
That's right, just kind of like me.
Yeah. That's the Banjo Benny Sharky Shark.
That's right.
Now we got 3 sharks. Hey, shark.
Hey.
Hey, what up? It's a shark party.
Hey, thank you guys so
Shark
much
party.
for coming on. I
Shark
love that
party.
shark party with y'all.
Shark. Hey, you guys want to listen to Shark Rock and Roll?
Yeah.
Shark party. Shark party. Shark party. Shark party. We're chopping the teeth. We're eating the applesauce. We're swimming in the ocean. And we go really fast. Okay, let's learn how to spell shark.
Good idea. Good
Yep,
idea.
like we always do here.
Okay.
And shark, that's a S.
S.
S, perfect. And to make the sh sound, we often use an S and an H. Right. And that makes a sh sound. Shh. Like when you tell someone to be quiet, you do shh. And that's S and H. And you often add a couple more H's when you're going shh. Yeah. Okay, so back to shark.
Okay.
S-H, sh. And what do you think is next?
R.
We need something before the R. It's a
R.
It's a A.
I.
Yeah, A.
A.
And oftentimes, you were right about the R coming soon.
Yeah.
That goes after the A.
Oh.
R. And oftentimes
A.
an A and an R makes an R sound.
R.
So you put the sh and the R sound together, it makes sharp.
Sharp.
No P. No P.
Oh.
Not like a teeth. The
Oh.
sharp. We do. What's the
R.
sound at the end of the shark word? Yeah, k. So shark. What makes a k sound?
K.
Yes, K.
Okay.
Okay. We draw a K. Okay.
Okie dokie.
And that spells S-H-A-R-K.
Shark.
Shark!
I love sharks.
Yeah, sharks are really cool.
Wow.
Yeah,
Man, I love learning new stuff.
Ta-da! Let's see your drawing, guys. Did you do one with us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Wow,
great.
that's better than me.